Want your videos to look like a movie?
I'll show you
step by step how to create a cinematic look using CapCut. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Choose a clip that has good lighting, because cinematic edits look best with clear footage. Now, tap on Filters at the bottom. Scroll down to the cinematic category and try filters like teal and orange for that, Hollywood vibe or warm film for a soft, classic look. Play around and pick one that matches your mood. Next, go to Adjust. Increase the contrast just a little to make the colors pop. Lower the highlights so your bright areas don't look washed out. Then, gently boost the saturation, but don't overdo it, because we still want a natural cinematic look. Now adjust the shadows to bring out more detail, and add a bit of sharpness. This makes your video look cleaner and more professional. To finish, add black bars at the top and bottom, also called the letterbox effect. This instantly gives your video that widescreen movie feel. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've turned a normal clip into something that looks straight out of a film. Try it on your videos today, and follow for more CapCut editing tricks. Do you want your videos to look like a real movie? And that's it. You've just made your video cinematic in a few simple steps. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow for more CapCut tricks and editing hacks.